Please sigh. I have gotten a small sneeze. Toot toots. Aunt Betty, you are crazy. I'm not gonna get attacked by a bear inside. It's just... Ah! YouTube, what is up, guys? We are...
Turbo Toy Time.
Yes, we are. My name is Andy, and this is my son...
Daddy.
You're not Daddy. Cayman. His name is Cayman. But we do toy videos, and today we are doing... Do you know what we're doing?
No.
MooMoo ACHOO!
Or my watch that for on YouTube.
You've seen this before?
Yeah.
Wow, okay. This is a game by Goliath. It's about a sneezing cow. And we're playing it.
My name the doll. This is Bob and this is Daddy.
Wait, you're gonna name her Meh?
No. Tootie.
Tootie?
Yeah, Tootie and Bob.
Tootie and Bob. You
Yeah.
changed their names. Okay, either way, what we're gonna do today is we're going to look at this box, we're gonna show you it, figure out how to play, and then...
Play with it!
Play with it!
Play with it!
I love that dance, and now you're just gone. Okay, I think Cayman will be back, but the front of the box is right here. It's got a very adorable cow that is sneezing. What's the cow's name?
Bubbles.
Bubbles? Like friends with Julie and Ricky?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a great name for it. It says MooMoo ACHOO. It's ages 4 and up, and it can be played by 2 to 4 players. It says a hungry little cow with a big Bubbles sneeze. On the side of the box, it has Bubbles sneezing. Poor cow.
And poop.
Oh gosh, there's poo. There's poo in this game?
Yeah.
Ah, you would like that.
Yeah.
Dad is not a huge fan of poo and toilety stuff, but it happens in games.
Can I do the...
Yeah, we'll see how the poo comes into play. It says, draw a card. Uh-oh, dandelions make her sneeze. Collect as many clovers as you can before the big ACHOO. But watch out for the poo. It'll make you lose points. Okay, fair enough. So we're trying to stay away from poo, right?
Yeah.
Wait. Where? Oh, I found it, and it's in a weird spot.
Yeah.
We have found the barcode!
There is barcode.
There it is, barcode! There it is, barcode! You just wrote a song, dude. Are we ready to get this out?
Yeah. Mama, yeah, you bubbles.
You love Bubbles? Oh, Bubbles is cute. I hope. Oh, look! Oh, wow, okay.
I hope.
Oh, look! Here's the bubbles for Bubbles. Oh, here are the tokens. Here are the things we gotta put on Bubbles. And here is Bubbles himself. In a bag.
Here is Bubbles soup.
Don't put real cows in bags. Rule of thumb in life, okay?
No.
We haven't had a game that needs batteries in a long time, but Bubbles does. And that's honestly, that's fun because maybe it'll be different. Bubbles has like a whale's blowhole on top, and I think that's where the bubbles go.
Okay.
I'm gonna set this up. Actually, but first I got a surprise for you. I have new shirts. Do you wanna see them?
Yeah.
You get to pick one shirt and you can wear it, okay?
Okay.
The first one is Pizza Turtle!
Yeah. I love pizza.
Okay. Okay, stop eating the pizza. The second one is
No.
Burger Turtle! Or Turtle Burger?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that's cute. And then the last one is Turtle Taco. What shirt do you want? Taco, pizza, or burger?
Taco.
Taco it is. There you are!
I don't want any and you try to attack me.
Now he wants to run in since he has a new shirt. Okay, and you're attacking me? Okay, I'm just minding my own business. I hope... Ah! Oh, and parents, I get a lot of questions about the shirts. They're Pancake Attack, pancake-attack.com. They're my clothing line.
Bubbles.
Yeah, you're stabbing that? Why are you stabbing that? Bubbles is the new owner of 3 AAA batteries. Now let's pour the... Oh my gosh, it closed on me. That's probably enough. A little bit more. Okay.
There are literally bubbles on the screwdriver.
There are bubbles on the screwdriver. Here, I'll clean it off. We got bubbles! Oh, and they're everywhere. Okay, so here's how we play. All of these tokens are down on the table, and we pick it up. If there's a dandelion on the card, you have to press this. If Bubbles sighs, you get to keep the card. If there's a little sneeze, like a little bubbles, a few bubbles come out, you gotta put it back. If she toots, then you get the poo card. And then in the end, you'll actually lose points. But someone else could make her toot and then they take the poo card, so you can get rid of it. And then if she says achoo and big sneeze, then the game's over and whoever has the most clovers wins. Are you ready?
Nope.
You're not ready? Okay, we'll wait.
Now I'm ready.
Now you're ready? Let's play! All right, so the person who has seen a cow more recently goes first, and I haven't seen a cow in a long time, so I'm guessing that's you.
Okay.
Okay, he's ready to play. I'm gonna turn Bubbles on. It made me sneeze! That is so many bubbles all over my camera. Pick one, you go first.
Why don't I click this one?
Okay, oh, that's just a clover. You get to keep that. You don't have to push it. Oh, I got one, but I have to press the button. You think that's funny, Bubbles? Okay. Nothing. That means she tooted. I'm guessing you have to put this back, okay? So I'm gonna put this back. And I take the poo! No! Just stop making fun of me. Okay, all right. Is that your new card?
Yeah.
You picked it? Oh, you gotta press it. Look. It has a dandelion on it, so you gotta press it. Oh, you get to keep it. He gets... Dad's turn. I got 2 clovers and a dandelion. Okay, so now I press it. Please just sigh. I have to put it back. The only thing I have is poo. That is the only thing I have. Can you? How many is it? You got what? Cayman. He got 2. No, you don't have to press it because it doesn't have a dandelion. Oh my gosh. All right, so now it's Dad's turn. I got 2 again. See this little thing? If you get that, then you press it. And Dad has to press it. Please sigh. I have gotten a small sneeze, 2 toots. What's your next one? Is that it? Okay, look. So it has the dandelion. You gotta press it.
Yay!
But that's not ACHOO. You gotta put it back. Hey, there you go. All right, so I'm gonna pick this one. Same thing. All right. FYI, if she says oopsie, it means she tooted, and that's all I keep getting. All right, go. It's your turn. Is that yours? What is it? Oh, it's a double clover plus 1 press. You gotta put it back. It's hard to get clovers in this game. All right. Oh, I got another one. 2 and dandelion. Please sigh. I got to keep something. Okay, it's your turn.
I'm gonna pick this one.
What is it? Oh, it's a double. Man, we keep getting these. Double clover, but you gotta press. Please get the toot. Okay. You gotta put it back.
Yay! He got YouTube!
All right, let me get the one that's right under her. It's 1 and that, so I get to press. Please sigh. Oops. Cayman got a clover plus a dandelion, so...
Yay!
There's a lot of small sneezes.
Yay! It got YouTube!
It did get YouTube. Okay, there's bubbles everywhere. Oh, I got a double. Please sigh.
Yay!
Oh my gosh, this game's kind of hard.
Mine's gonna get you too.
You got 2?
Yeah.
All right, he got another 2 with a dandelion, so press it. The game's over. That's the big sneeze. You got so many bubbles on the camera. That's it, dude.
Yay!
Okay, I literally have 0 points. because all I did was get the poo, and I had 2 points, so it takes away. See? -2, 2.
Yay, my win! Yay, my win! Yay, my win!
Cayman, on the other hand, got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4! You won!
Yeah!
Yeah, good job, bud. All right, that means the champion of the channel trophy stays on your side.
Yeah!
I don't think Dad has won in a long time. All my sons keep beating me at games.
That was MooMoo cute.
That was MooMoo ACHOO, a really fun game. I love how many bubbles came out. When the game's over, it is like the grand finale fireworks. So, very fun game. Goliath always crushes it. But remember, it's not always about new toys. Get your old toys out and play with them. There's always a fun, new, creative way to imagine a new adventure with your old toys. So it's important to remember that. And if you're truly not using your toys, what do we do with them?
Donate them.
You're right, we donate them, and then your toys that you're not using could go to somebody that might not get the chance to have toys, and that could make their day. Guys, thank you so much. Hit the subscribe button if you'd like to see more, and we'll be back soon.
Hit the subscribe button.
Yeah, but the most important thing is that you have
a great day. If I don't duck.
a great day, and he's going to duck. Go outside and play if it's nice. If it's not, do something creative inside. Just no matter what you're doing, make sure your parents know what you're doing. Thanks, guys. And since Cayman's not here, I get the peace out. Peace to the MooMoo ACHOO out.